Omotesando is just a 5-minute walk from Harajuku, the center of Kawaii culture, and Harajuku, a hub for street fashion. Omotesando, having its own completely unique atmosphere, is a part of this special area of Tokyo where these 3 distinct fashion districts meet. Omotesando Hills is a famous area in Omotesando representing the area. Right next to Omotesando Hills, you'll notice an old-looking building, but don't overlook it. This building played a crucial role in shaping Omotesando into the stylish district it is today. It's a reconstruction of a part of the historic Dojukai Aoyama apartments, which once stood on this very site. The Dojukai was an organization founded with government support to create urban housing that would be a model for modern city living. At the time, it was rare to have essential utilities such as electricity and gas, and the Dojukai apartments were constructed using reinforced concrete, offering excellent seismic and fire resistance. Plans for these buildings were developed in various locations. As a result of careful consideration, Omotesando was chosen as the first location for the Dojukai apartments. In designing the building, great attention was given to harmonizing with the surrounding landscape, including the iconic Zelkova trees along Omotesando Avenue. For this reason, the building's height was limited to 3 stories to blend seamlessly with the area's natural beauty and overall aesthetic. Completed in 1926, the Dojukai Aoyama apartments became a major topic of conversation due to its modern appearance and the state-of-the-art residential amenities it offered at the time. Additionally, the apartments were positioned as luxury housing for high-income individuals such as military officers and government officials. As a result, the Dojukai Aoyama apartments had a significant impact on shaping the refined image of Omotesando. However, after the 1970s, the building began to deteriorate, and its amenities gradually became outdated for modern lifestyles. As a result, the push for redevelopment grew stronger, and in 2003, the Dojukai Aoyama apartments closed its doors, marking the end of its 80-year history. In 2006, Omotesando Hills, designed by famous architect Tadao Ando, was built on the site. Other than Omotesando Hills, many Japanese people would say that the most iconic part of Omotesando is the illuminations. Omotesando's illuminations began in 1992. At that time, large-scale street illuminations were a rarity in Japan, so the annual event quickly gained popularity as a winter attraction. However, the overwhelming number of people and cars that gathered led to numerous complaints from local residents, and just 6 years after its debut, the event was forced to be discontinued. Afterwards, the event was restructured with an emphasis on harmony with the local community. After a hiatus of about 10 years, the illuminations were revived in 2009. Today, the event is operated sustainably with the cooperation of locals, and the lights are displayed every December for about a month, staying on until 10 p.m. each night. If the illuminations are the event that represents winter in Omotesando, the Super Yosakoi Festival is the event that symbolizes the summer. Based on the Yosakoi dance, which originated in Kochi Prefecture, this group dance performance features teams wearing coordinated outfits, showcasing their dances at locations like Omotesando and Meiji Shrine. Starting in 2001, this event takes place every year on the last Saturday and Sunday of August. With more than 100 teams participating each year, the festival attracts nearly 1 million spectators. Meiji Shrine is one of the most iconic tourist attractions in this area. Omotesando was originally developed as the path approaching the shrine when it was first built. For a detailed guide to Meiji Shrine's highlights, check out our video guide C4. Cat Street is a street that connects Omotesando and Shibuya, and it was developed in 1967 after the first Tokyo Olympics. Those with a keen eye might notice that the street has a gentle curve. This is because the road was built over a former riverbed, and the river still flows beneath Cat Street to this day. Until the early 1980s, the area around Omotesando was a typical residential neighborhood. However, in the late 1980s, as the road was widened and the pedestrian walkway was developed, the number of shops gradually increased, and Cat Street became established as a scenic pathway connecting Shibuya and Harajuku. Today, while Omotesando is lined with high-end brand stores, Cat Street is known for its creative atmosphere with unique, small-scale apparel shops and cafes. Although it's only a 5-minute train ride from Harajuku to Shibuya, walking along Cat Street is highly recommended. The 30-minute stroll will feel like no time at all as you enjoy browsing the distinctive shops along the way. Meiji Jingu Gaien was developed alongside Meiji Shrine after Emperor Meiji's passing. It features cultural facilities honoring his achievements, as well as sports venues, including the National Stadium, which was used for the Olympics. Similar to Meiji Shrine, the concept of a forest was central to the design of Meiji Jingu Gaien. Existing trees were preserved and new ones were planted, creating a lush green environment and a peaceful atmosphere. One of the highlights of the area is the Ginkgo tree-lined avenue, which has become a symbol of the Gaien and is known as one of the best spots for autumn foliage in Tokyo. Aoyama Cemetery is Japan's first cemetery park, developed as part of an urban planning initiative by the government during the Meiji era. Like Meiji Jingu Gaien, it is located in the heart of the city, yet it offers a vast green space, providing a rare oasis of greenery in Tokyo. The spacious grounds are home to neatly arranged graves, and the lush tree-lined paths create a beautiful landscape. In the spring, the cemetery is filled with visitors enjoying the cherry blossoms, while in the fall, the golden ginkgo trees captivate those who visit. It is also known for being the final resting place of many notable figures, making it a historically significant site with many points of interest. Located on the way from Omotesando and Harajuku toward Roppongi, it's a great spot to stop by for a peaceful break while heading in that direction, offering a tranquil environment amidst the city bustle.